a gentle slope. No steps. So make sure you be in the middle. Be in the middle. So we can. Stay in the middle. Yes, gradually. We're going. All right, fellow Africans, we are in the dungeon. From this wall to the last end, it was constructed for 1,000 enslaved Africans. But they divided the dungeons into 5. So this is one of them. One contained 200 people. And there was no light. So these ones were their source of light and air. That's it. For those they kept it. So some became blind. If you stayed longer in the darkness, if you go out, you have a problem with your eye. You can see the bricks. This is what they used in the construction. There was nothing like toilet facility. There was no urinal. So anytime they wanted to go to toilet, they would do it here. They want to urinate in the same place. Others would vomit. They were sleeping inside up to 3 months. We have some trenches like this. They were constructed as their urinal. So that when you urinate, you run through this. But
Who constructed this?
they supervised Africans to construct.
The Africans did.
The African did. But they were supervised to do it.
Really.
And it got to a time. Hello. It got to a time that some of the Africans started fighting the British. They wanted freedom. Those doing that were identified and brought from the other dungeons to this place. So they created a door at the entrance. So they called this place a strong room. So British were afraid of the Africans. So they were not coming to clean or not asking them to come and clean the waste. So the waste started piling from one level to the other to the other. It got to a time that this bricks was covered outright. The waste came up to some level like this. For us to see properly, I want us to stand to this wall. And my brother, use the light for me so that we can see properly. Now come back a bit, Leave the wall to here, yes. I'm going to come this way a bit. Now, if I see some white markings on the wall, we have them all round. Because they stopped cleaning this place, the waste rose to the bottom of the markings. It got to the level like this. Reached the level like this. The bricks was covered. But 1974, University of Ghana, Archaeological Department, came to do excavation here before they found the building materials. Also they marked the wall like that. So many of the blacks died. Those who died were not buried. They tied stone onto their waist and they throw them into the sea. They eat once in a day, sometimes twice, just to keep them alive. But they left a portion of the solid waste around the sea. So let's have a look.
Watch the grace.
Come back a bit. Good to it. Now look down here with the light. Now if you look at this place, you cannot see the bricks. Now go back a bit so that you can see. If you look at this place, you cannot see the bricks.
No.
But here the bricks are showing, even though it is dirty. This is how the floor was like. The whole place was like this before 74.
So there's waste.
This is waste. So they cleared this part in 74. And they left this one for generations, yet unborn to come and see. This thing was tested, and it proved that it had toilet, urine, blood, and other things. This is human waste. But because it's been a long time, it has changed now, like an ordinary soil. Shall we move on this way, please? Please mind your heads.
Just in time, wash your feet. There are drains on the ground, and then mind your head.